Good morning, everybody. म सन्तोष सुवेदी तपाईहरुको बीचमा मैले आज पुनः माध्यमिक तहको अंग्रेजी विषयको पाठ्यक्रम अनुसार जुन 11 टा टपिक ग्रामरमा रहेको छ त्यो मध्येको एउटा टपिक लिएर आएको छु। एग्रीमेन्ट, सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेन्ट अथवा हामीले यसलाई कन्कर्ड पनि भनेर बुझ्ने गर्छौं। आज यो सेसनमा हामी एग्रीमेन्ट के हो, कसरी सब्जेक्ट र भर्बको एग्रीमेन्ट गरिन्छ भन्ने सन्दर्भमा केही रुल्सहरु सहित विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरुसँग रहनेछौं। मलाई आशा छ यो भिडियोले पक्कै पनि विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरु जसले अंग्रेजी विषय प्रति चासो राख्नुहुन्छ उहाँहरुलाई ग्रामरमा सोधिएको समस्या अथवा परीक्षामा सोधिएको समस्या समाधान गर्न सँगसँगै अंग्रेजी विषयमा राइटिङ सेक्सनमा र स्पिकिङ सेक्सनमा केही सहयोग पुर्याउने उद्देश्य लिएको छु। What is subject verb agreement? I am here trying to define this term. A simple subject verb agreement definition implies that the subject of the sentence and the verb of the sentence must be in agreement in number. हामीले चाहिँ यो सब्जेक्ट verb agreement मा एकदमै बढी प्रयोग गरिने शब्द भनेको SSPP भनेर भन्ने गर्छौं। सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर हुँदा verb पनि सिंगुलर हुनुपर्छ र सब्जेक्ट प्लुरल छ भने verb पनि प्लुरल हुनुपर्छ भने SSPP को अर्थ। Let's see the example. The dog is playing with his ball. If the dog is singular, so we have to use is as a singular verb. In this case, the subject of the sentence is dog and the verb used is singular in nature, is playing. In the second example, the dogs are playing with their ball. In this case, the subject of the sentence is dogs and the verb used is plural in nature, are playing. So that if the subject is singular, then we have to use singular verb. If the subject is plural, then we have to use plural verb. विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरुलाई यो अस्पष्टता रहन सक्छ कि सिंगुलर verb कुन हो र प्लुरल verb कुन हो त। त्यो अस्पष्टता मेटाउन मैले प्रयास गरे। हामीले चाहिँ verb 1 भन्ने गर्छौं, त्यसलाई प्लुरल verb को रूपमा प्रयोग गरिन्छ र verb 5 भनेर चाहिँ जुन verb प्रयोग गरिन्छ अथवा वर्डहरु हामी चाहिँ प्रयोग गर्छौं त्यसलाई चाहिँ सिंगुलर verb भन्ने गरिन्छ। अब हेरौं the basic rules of subject verb agreement. The first rule, when two subjects are joined by and, the verb is plural. For example, my friend and his mother. Here, my friend and his mother. It means plural subjects. So that are in town. Are is plural verb. The second rule, when two singular nouns joined by and refer to the same person or thing, the verb must be singular. Let's justify these rules with example. The captain and coach of the team has been sacked. The captain and coach. It means the captain and the coach is same person. So we have to use singular verb as has. In case these were two different individuals, two articles needed to be used. The captain and the coach of the team have been sacked. दोस्रो अवस्थामा चाहिँ क्याप्टेन र कोच दुईजना फरक इन्डिभिजुअल हुन् अथवा दुईजना व्यक्ति हुन्, त्यो उनीहरु चाहिँ यो सब्जेक्ट प्लुरल भयो, हामीले चाहिँ प्लुरल भर्ब ह्याभ प्रयोग गर्यौं। तर माथिल्लो केसमा के छ भन्दा एउटा मात्र आर्टिकल प्रयोग भएको हुनाले क्याप्टेन र कोच एउटै व्यक्ति हो। So we have to use singular verb. The third rule, indefinite pronouns like everybody, each one, someone, somebody, no one, nobody, anyone, anybody, etc. are always singular. So they agreed with singular. For example, everyone is selfish. We do not use are in this sentence because everyone, each one, someone, somebody, such type of indefinite pronouns are always singular. And this rule does not apply to few, many, several, both, all, and so on. The next rule, rule number 4. When the percentage or part of something is mentioned with plural meaning, the plural verb is used. For example, 40 of every 100 children are malnourished. When the subjects joined by either or neither nor are of different persons, the verb will agree in person and number with the noun nearest to it. For example, neither you nor your dogs. Your dogs, it means plural subject. So we have to use no verb. Neither you nor your dogs know how to behave. Either of the books is fine. So either of को केसमा फरक छ. Either of is a singular subject represents us. Always remember that when either and neither are used as pronouns, they are treated as singular and always take singular verb. The next rule. If connectives or appositives like along with, together with, as well as, accompanied by, etc. are used to combine two subjects, then the verb agrees with the subject mentioned first. If such type of connectives are in sentence, then we have to use the verb according to the first subject. For example, Mr. Ram, accompanied by his wife Sita and his brothers, was banished to the forest because Mr. Ram is the first subject and it is singular, so we have to use singular verb was. And next rule number 7, a number of the number or a number of some countable noun is always plural. The number of some countable noun is always singular. अब यसमा चाहिँ हामीले कुन चाहिँ काउन्टेबल हो कुन चाहिँ अनकाउन्टेबल नाउन हो भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ छुट्याउनु पर्यो. A number of the numbers of सँग आएको अवस्था. A number of students, countable noun. So are going on the trip, plural भयो. The singular verb form is usually used for units of measurement of time. अर्थात् चाहिँ सब्जेक्टको रूपमा युनिट्स अफ मेजरमेन्ट टाइम आएको छ भने हामी चाहिँ के गर्छौँ सिंगुलर verb प्रयोग गर्छौँ. 5 gallons of oil was required. 50 kilos of rice was bought yesterday. In this way we have to use. And next rule, when any of, few, many, several, both, all, some is used with a countable noun, the verb is plural. For example, some men are needed. यसले भन्न खोजेको के हो भने few, many, several, both, all, some जस्ता शब्दहरू काउन्टेबल नाउनसँग प्रयोग भएको छ भने अथवा काउन्टेबल नाउन भन्दा अगाडि आएका छन् भने हामी चाहिँ प्लुरल भर्बको प्रयोग गर्नुपर्छ. When any of, few, many, several, both, all, some is used with uncountable noun. अगाडि चाहिँ काउन्टेबल नाउन भन्दा प्लुरल भएको थियो. अनकाउन्टेबल नाउनसँग आयो भने के हुन्छ त सिंगुलर भर्बको प्रयोग. Some milk is spoiled. The subjects which agreed with singular verb. अब मैले चाहिँ सिंगुलर verb प्रयोग हुने सब्जेक्टहरुलाई मात्रै तपाईहरुको बीचमा शेयर गर्न गइरहेको छु. You look at very carefully. Singular subject. Two or more than two subjects joined by and refer the same person. अगाडि पनि आएको थियो. दुई वा दुई भन्दा बढी सब्जेक्टलाई एन्डले जोडेको छ र त्यसले एउटै सेम पर्सन अर थिङ जनाउँछ भने वी हेभ टु युज सिंगुलर वर्ब. द नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट्स, अरू सब्जेक्टहरू जसले सिंगुलर वर्ब लिन्छन्, न्यूज, पोलिटिक्स, वेज, म्याथमेटिक्स, फिजिक्स, लिंग्विस्टिक्स, स्टैटिस्टिक्स, इकोनॉमिक्स, ethics, missiles, gymnastics, goods, classics, innings, etc. They look plural, but they are singular in nature or singular in meaning. So they agreed with singular verb. A plus sheep, deer, fish, policeman, swine, etc. as a subject in sentence, then we have to use singular verb. A sheep is running, but sheep are running. sheep are running हुन्छ तर sheep को अगाडि a sheep आयो भने एउटा भेडा भन्ने अर्थ आयो, that is singular. So we have to use singular verb. Two or more nouns qualified by each or every or even though joined by and, they agreed with singular verb. Plural unit, quantity, amount, 50,000 is not enough for me. That is singular subject and they agreed with singular verb. Every and each with singular noun. If a singular noun is followed, every and each, यदि every र each लाई singular noun ले follow गरेको छ भने we have to use singular verb. If the subject of a sentence begins with, बुझ्नुस् है यहाँनिर, if the subject of a sentence begins with either of, neither of, each of, every of, none of, every one of, any of plus plural noun, noun must be followed by a singular verb. त्यस्तो अवस्थामा पनि के हुन्छ त, singular verb को प्रयोग गर्नुपर्छ. Either of boys, each of student, none of students, every one of students, त्यस्तो केसमा singular verb को प्रयोग गर्नुपर्छ. If a sentence begins with many of, we have to use singular verb. A chain of, a bunch of, a bucket of, a batch of, galaxy of, a series of, a packet of plus plural noun agreed with singular verb. Noun चाहिँ प्लुरल छ तर अगाडि चाहिँ यी शब्दहरू आएका छन् भने, यी मध्ये कुनै शब्द आएको छ भने त्यस्तो अवस्थामा पनि हामीले चाहिँ we have to use singular verb. Plural nouns that denote some specific quantity or amount, they agreed with singular verb. For example, 100 rupees is 50 kilos of rice is, in this way we have to use. If plural noun which is proper noun for some single object or some collective unit agreed with singular verb, like is the US has, the Gulliver's Travels was, the Arabian Night is, they look plural in nature but they convey singular thing or object. So they agreed with singular verb. Again, sentence, a pair of trousers, shorts, pliers, jeans, binocular, scissors, some of, must of, all of plus uncountable noun, they take singular verb. The subject which agreed with plural verb. In above 2 or 3 slides, we will discuss about the subjects which agreed with singular verb. And from here, we are just trying to discuss or present the subjects which agreed with plural verb. Look at here, plural subjects. 2 or more subjects often have plural verb. And if the subject is cattle, people, vermin, poultry, sheep, deer, salmon, fish, police, swine, clergy, data, etc. are in a sentence. Then we have to use plural verb. A couple of, if followed by plural noun. In that situation, we have to use plural verb. Scissors, pliers, they are known as plural subject. So they agreed with plural verb. If the subject begins with, अगाडि पनि आएको थियो यो, फेरि पनि हेर्नु नझुक्किने होला. If the subject begins with some of, most of, all of, a few of, a lot of, and followed by plural noun. In this situation, we have to use plural verb or verb one. The plus adjective, plural plus of plus plural subject. In that situation, we have to use plural verb or verb one. There's some more points to be remembered. अब हामी चाहिँ समराइज गर्न गइरहेका छौं. के पोइन्ट्सहरु छ. कलेक्टिभ नाउन एज अ होल, सिंगुलर verb. Collective noun is individual, plural verb. Joined by and, the word refer to a person according to the number of article. If same person, singular verb. If different person, plural verb. and ले जोडेको अवस्थामा सेम पर्सन जनाउने छ, एउटा मात्र आर्टिकल प्रयोग भएको छ भने सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट. and ले जोडेको छ, दुईवटा वा त्यो भन्दा बढी आर्टिकलहरु चाहिँ आएको छ भने अथवा डिफरेंट पर्सन जनाउँछ भने प्लुरल भर्बको प्रयोग गर्नु. Look at here in the example, the novelist and poet. There only one article is there, the. So it refers to same person. So that is coming, singular verb. The novelist and the poet, different person, because there are two determiner or article. So that we have to use are as a plural verb. Joined by, as well as, with, including, accompanied by, together with, along with, in addition to. If a sentence is joined by these words, then we have to select the verb according to former subject. अघिल्लो सब्जेक्ट यदि सिंगुलर छ भने हामी सिंगुलर verb, यदि प्लुरल छ भने के गर्ने त प्लुरल verb को प्रयोग गर्ने. Joined by either or, neither nor, not only but also. If a sentence is joined with these words or connectives, then we have to select the verb according to latter subject. If latter subject is singular, the verb must be singular. If latter subject is plural, then the verb must be plural one. Okay, thank you. यस्तै भिडियोहरुको लागि मेरो च्यानल सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नबिर्सनु होला. मेरो एउटा मात्रै उद्देश्य विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरुलाई घरमा बसेर पनि अंग्रेजी विषयमा केही राम्रो होस् भन्ने चाहना भएको विद्यार्थीहरुलाई सहयोग गरिरहेको छ. So that I request you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and provide me some constructive suggestions which are really beneficial for me to improve myself. Thank you.